Good morning, my name is Garet Starkey. I'm a small compact consultant here in Big Spring, Texas for John Deere. And today what I'm going to show you is my favorite implement for John Deere is the AutoConnect for our 1 Series tractors. They're available in a 54 and a 60-inch cut. And why this is my favorite is just because of the ease of use John Deere has done for us. You literally just put it onto the ground. You've got one lever right here that disconnects the linkage. We'll go ahead and flip that down. Then you simply just get onto the tractor, drive off of it, and then it's ready to go when you get back on. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how this works.